So where is the reset button on your Hisense TV? Well, for the older models, you're gonna find it on the back here quite often and near the HDMI port. So basically, when you see the HDMI ports here, it should be basically up top here quite often. But I have a newer model, so I don't really have a physical reset button. What I have to do, and what you also have to do if you have a newer model, is to actually go to settings on your TV. So go to settings, and then in here scroll down and click on system, and then click on about, and then scroll down and click on reset, and then factory reset here, as you can see. So for the newer Hisense TV and most the smart TVs out there, to be fair, you have to actually go through the settings. There's not gonna be a physical button. But if you have an older TV, an older Hisense TV, come from the right quite often and then look for a physical reset button that I showed you before. So basically that is exactly where to find it.